Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. Today we having social class, amma. In your previous class, first lesson, you learned first lesson. Lesson explaining, lesson explained over. Now next question answers, fill in the blanks, all over, amma. Class work also over. Let's see next lesson. What is our next lesson? What is our second lesson, children? Please, children, open your text books. What is our second lesson number? What is food we eat? Our second lesson name is what? Food we eat. Food we eat. Okay, children. Okay, Amma. Children, tell me, what foods you love to eat? What food you love to eat? I like biryani. You like what, Amma? What foods you love to eat? Now, okay, children, open your textbook. Whatever I reading, put your fingers. Amma. We need food to live. We need food to grow. Food gives us energy. We need energy to work, play and think. What is that? We need live to food. Means nu bratakaniki food kavali. We need live to food. And you need food to grow. And నువ్వు వెదగడానికి కూడా you want food. You need food. And food gives us energy. Food gives us energy means you get more energy. You eat a nutrition food or a healthy food, you get more energy. You do anything. You having more energy, you do anything. Okay? We need energy to work. For example, you do some work. What you need? You want energy. Yes, you need energy. You do work easily. Okay. Now next, play and think. You are playing. You go outside and playing outdoor games. Yes, you need energy. You do play. You need energy. And you thinking also. You need energy. You need energy. What you giving energy? Food. So what is that your lesson, Amma? Food we eat. Food. Without food you can't live. Ante food lekunda nu bratakalevu. And next, what is the next? We need food for to grow. So nu bratakaniki kavali and nu grow ante edaganiki, height kaniki. Okay? Now next one, food gives us energy. What is gives us energy, Amma? Food gives us energy. You do some work, you need energy. Whatever giving energy, food is giving energy. Taste different kinds of food. Different kinds of food. Taste of kinds of foods are there. Different taste foods are there. You like which taste? Somebody having spicy, somebody like spicy, somebody like and sweet, somebody like low spicy, like that. Okay. Now next, eat homemade foods for healthy. Always homemade food for healthy. We are eating homemade food that is healthy. Okay. We are whatever you need, whatever made in your home, you eat that food that is for your healthy. That is healthy food. You don't eat outside food. You don't eat outside food. That is not good for health. We should avoid junk food so that we can grow healthy. So we should avoid the junk foods. Outside foods are there. Junk food, noodles, pani puri, like pav bhajilu. That is a very unhealthy food. Don't eat the types of food, Amma. Only we are eating in homemade food. That is a good health. Healthy food. Healthy eating is essential for growth and development during childhood. What is that? Energy. Healthy eating food is the to grow childhood. I mean, you are in childhood. Yes, you are a kid or you are a child. You are a small child. You need to grow. You want healthy food. Okay, you eat healthy food. You early you grow up. In your whatever you grow up in your thinking and you in your body building, in your height, like that you grow up. We are eating healthy food, we are grow up easily. Healthy nutrition is the most important factor for maintaining and keeping good health. Good nutrition can help prevent diseases, promote health. So it is important that students understand at an early age the concept of balanced diet adapted to their needs. You need balancing food and nutrition food. This nutrition food diseases. For example, in the time corona is there, corona nu meeru jayinchalante you need nutrition food. Okay, you eat healthy food, you eat balancing diet, you want nutrition food now in the time. Okay, so we must eat the meat or other meat products for getting a protein, mainly in addition to other materials. For example, we are eating meat always, Sunday always all are eating meat, that is getting proteins. In you eating meat from getting proteins. Proteins are considered very important constituent for human body cells. For example, our human body or all are human beings. Your body is healthy and very fitter. So you want nutritions and proteins, carbohydrates, like that. Also, we must eat vegetative diets that contains different minerals, proteins, and other nutrients. So some are vegetarians, some are non-vegetarians. Okay, make nutrient-rich food the basis of your daily health eating plan. Started by choosing colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, low fat or fat-free, dairy and land, meat, fish, beans, and nuts. What is the healthy food, amma? Colorful fruits, vegetables, green vegetables and grains, nuts, fish, meat. These are healthy food. These are healthy food we are eating other types of food. We should avoid roadside food. Children, we should avoid roadside food. That is not good for health. That is not a healthy food. Okay, so we are avoiding roadside food. We are eating in house-made food, homemade food. We are eating homemade food, so that children can grow healthy. The food is becoming poison because of pollution. What is that? We should avoiding roadside food because that is the poisoning food. Different chemicals added. So roadside food enduku tasty ga untadi? Because in adding different types of chemicals add chestaru. So that is not for health. That is dangerous. That is one of the poison. Okay amma, that's why we should avoiding roadside foods. అది వెరీ టేస్టీగా ఉంటుంది. వై? బికాస్ దట్ ఆర్ యాడింగ్ కెమికల్స్, డిఫరెంట్ పాయిజన్ కెమికల్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తారు. దట్స్ వై దట్ రోడ్ సైడ్ ఫుడ్ ఈస్ వెరీ టేస్ట్. బట్ ఈస్ దట్ నాట్ టేస్ట్ ఈస్ ఓకే, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గుడ్ ఫర్ హెల్త్. ఓన్లీ we are eating homemade food. Okay children, this is keep in your mind. Roadside food always do not eating. That is poisoning and pollutioning. We are adding chemicals. Okay, there are two types of foods. How many types, amma? Two types of foods. Types of food: vegetarian and non-vegetarian. In vegetarian, leafy vegetables, cabbage, carrot. Non-vegetarian, fish, meat, chicken. We are vegetarian or non-vegetarian? I am non-vegetarian. I am eating vegetables and fishes, meat, chicken also. So I am a non-vegetarian. You amma, tell me, you are vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Okay, types of food. Types of food. Two types of food. What is that? Vegetarian and non-vegetarian. In vegetarian, some kinds are there. What are they, amma? Leafy means Akuralu. Yes, you know that. And vegetables. Vegetables and cabbage. Not carrot. You eat carrot, that is good for health, amma. Next one, in non-vegetarian, fish, meat, and chicken. This both. In vegetarian, leafy vegetables, cabbage and carrot. In non-vegetarian, what amma? Fish, meat, chicken. Tell me, children, we are eating these types of food or these types of food? We are vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Okay, amma. Let's see vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Let's see. This is in next class, amma. I will explain in next class. Okay, children.